Good morning, everyone. Happy AP Biology on 9/29/2001. We don't have a lot planned today. Continue to work on your diffusion and osmosis lab. If you need the data is in the instructions for 928. Sorry, I'm on like this really fun chair, and it's a little weird. I don't know how you all would get anything done if you were sitting on this chair. So, just work on the diffusion and osmosis lab today. Today, at the end, if you are done graphing each of your labs, so you have the water potential of the apple, and you have the unknown solution, find the concentration of the unknown solution. If you are done graphing those two labs, that data, then you're pretty much in a good spot today. Okay. Once you've done that, there are a few questions under each of the graphs, and once you're done with that, then you're kind of in a good spot. The lab isn't due until Monday. Okay. So the big key with that then is just making sure that you take care of it over the weekend. On Thursday, so tomorrow, I am going to send out a link to a new app that we're going to be using. It's called Pivot, and I will assign folks an assignment on Pivot to do that. So I will send that link out in the morning for you to join my class, and then I will assign the activity once you're in my class, okay? So it'll probably happen around maybe 5th hour. If you are logged in before 1:10, then, no, 1:10? Yeah, 1:10-ish. Then I will be able to assign it around that time, okay? Because that's when my first AP class is in person, so I'll assign it around then. Okay. Other than that, that's kind of all we got going on for this week. Make sure you're still working on your reading guide and studying for the test. The labs that we have done will help you study for the test. Any AP practices on AP Classroom, those are good options too. Okay. Next week, I will send out a virtual AP test. Okay. It'll be questions from previous AP tests, and you will only have that day to work on it. Okay. Honestly, folks, your grades are for you. I will tell you that when we take the AP test, getting above a 75, and tell your parents this so they're not worried, getting above a 75 on the test is an A, 75%. So that'll change depending on what points are for each question, okay? Getting above a 75% is an A. That is AP standard, okay? About 65% is a B, and then anything above 50% is a C, okay? Anything below 50% is a D. For this first test, we may do a retake, okay? After this test, though, we aren't going to do that, okay? Same thing with the labs, okay? This first unit, you can redo your labs if you want to. Moving forward, we're not going to have redoing of labs, okay? I need to grade what you have turned in, so that's another thing that I want you to know is turn in your protein pogles and your movement activities, okay? I need to get those graded, and I need to get you your grades. Everyone pretty much has an A right now based on the quiz that we took. However, I need you to get those turned in, okay? All right. Last thing. Today I will post a transport vocabulary quiz. You can take a look at my Quizlet, use some of the words that are on there to help you answer those questions. Make sure you know what an isotonic, hypertonic, and hypotonic solution do. And yeah, it's just vocabulary, so make sure you know what those are. Okay. I'll leave that open until Friday night. You have 3 tries at it. I'll take your highest score. Okay. All right. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Enjoy all your classes. I will see you later. Bye, folks. Have a great Wednesday. Peace.